There are very simple steps which I would like to highlight, which can be practiced by each and everyone so that we have good kidney health and prevent kidney disease. First, stay fit and be active. Second is make sure that you have a balanced diet. Adequate water intake is very essential to prevent kidney diseases. At least 8 to 10 glasses of water every day is very important to make sure that our kidneys are working healthy. Do not smoke. Do not take over-the-counter painkillers on a regular basis unless your doctor has prescribed them, because we know that painkiller medications are one of the most common reasons why people can have kidney disease. People who have diabetes should be getting their blood sugars controlled properly. So also people with hypertension or blood pressure should get their blood pressure checked and controlled regularly, because diabetes and blood pressure are the two most important reasons why your kidneys can fail. And if you control them properly right from the beginning, the kidney disease can definitely be prevented. People who have family history of diabetes, family history of hypertension, people who are above the age of 65 years, or people who have family history of kidney disease should get their kidney function checked at least once in a year. A simple urine examination and a blood test for creatinine will tell you whether your kidneys are working fine or if there is any problem with the kidneys. So these are very simple tips which I would suggest each one of us should be aware about and should practice so that we don't face kidney disease in the future.